No way. Seriously, no way.
When BB said it was okay to be poor, I figured there was a new way of bullying me.
Wolves don't change their fur. That's what Granny told me.
But then he said he'd walk with us to the food pantry so the other wolves couldn't hurt us.
Of course, Hansel was too scared to let him.
The thing is, it's been a month, and he hasn't bullied me once.
He told me sorry. And I think he meant it.
It's not like he's been perfect. He did growl at us once.
Okay, he said some mean stuff last week, but everybody has bad days.
BB sticks up for me. Like, if other kids make fun of my clothes, Hansel's my friend. Leave him alone.
You know what I heard for the first time since 2nd grade? He laughed. Not at somebody, but laughed because he was having fun.
On Sunday, somebody left a box of food on Hansel's porch, and they signed the note with a paw print. Do you think?
He told me good job when I aced the math test. BB Wolfe said good job.
If you told me about this a month ago, I would have never believed it.
I was sure a wolf couldn't change his fur.
But now I think maybe Hansel and BB are friends.
I sat next to him on the bus. Not because it was the only seat left. Did you know he misses being friends? And he's really funny.
Miss Fairy, I don't know how you did it.
But since he's not making fun of us anymore,
I feel like maybe I'm just right.